the more you justify, the more you make a big deal out of wanting to have more money, having more money, making more money, the harder it is to come to you. Money magic, is there such a thing? And how do we develop and cultivate a money magic mindset? This video will give you 5 ways. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. My name is Maria Tan. I'm known as the business coach for Misfits because of my uncanny ability to see and articulate the tapestry of various threads that makes a person, a brand, or a business unique and special, and create an ecosystem that values those differences. In this video, we will look at 5 ways of cultivating that money magic mindset. Before we continue, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on videos on navigating the world of life and business as a misfit. Let's start with looking at what is money magic? What do we mean by money magic? So here's the thing. When people think of money, they think of struggle, they think of hard work, they think of how hard, how scarce it is, how much they'd want more of it. Very, very few people would tell you that when they think of money, they think of joy, they think of peace, they think of surrender, they think of abundance. Many will tell you that, oh, money, I need to work harder for it. I need to work more for it. I need to struggle for it. Why? Because there's so much societal programming and conditioning that tells us it is hard to make money. It's hard to have money. It's hard to just receive money. But when we think of money magic, adding that word makes it mysterious, makes it fun, makes it easy, makes it appear out of nowhere. And the thing is, when you think of money, money is really more than a tool. It's energetics. If you think of money right now, we're not just looking at cash, we're looking at assets, we're looking at crypto, we're looking at everything that has value. So money is no longer limited to that paper. Or we're no longer in those old times where we need to lug silver coins, bronze coins, and weigh them. Now it is all about having a currency, having this energy, having this good that is of value for other people. So money literally just means something that is easy for us to leverage, to exchange with others, to trade. Now, when you're thinking of money magic and when you're practicing a money magic mindset, it means that you're coming or you're operating from that mindset, from that operating system that believes that money can come easily, that it's easy to receive money, that you don't really need to struggle to make money, that money isn't necessarily hard and isn't necessarily evil. Now, in this video, we'll look at the 5 ways to practice that. The first one is believing that you are worthy of money. I know it sounds so simple. Believing that I'm worthy of money, of course I do. Do you? How many people can really say, I feel that I am worth $1 million? Very few. People find money really, really intimidating. So they think money is something that's so hard to achieve or so beyond them. And a lot of people are more intimidated with having more money or making more money. So the first way to practice that money magic mindset is to really believe that it's possible for you to have that abundance, to have money come to you easily. The second way to practice a money magic mindset is to stop hustling. The more you hustle, the more you rush, the more you force things, the harder it is for money to find you. Because what you're saying is that I need to do all of this before money comes. And because of that mindset, it deters you from receiving the money that you should be receiving. Because you're so focused in doing, and proving yourself. And nothing will seem enough. No amount of work, no amount of hard work, no amount of doing is enough. So the more that you practice hustling, the more that you force things, the more that you're rushing things, the harder it is for you to receive money effortlessly, because there is that programming in you that says, "Oh, I feel unworthy of receiving money easily." And because mindset is how your system is programmed to operate from. So when you're in that hustle mindset, money mindset will likely be very, very hard for you to develop. So for you to have that money magic mindset, let's start allowing yourself to receive effortlessly, to believe that you're worthy of receiving, and that you don't need to work too hard. You don't need to hustle all the time. It's okay to take a break. The third way to practice having a money magic mindset is to list the things that you will be doing with all the money. The thing is, we're so focused on trying to make so much money or have so much money that we haven't really thought of how we are going to be responsible for that. So the thought of having more money can overwhelm our system because we haven't really planned for it. We haven't really mapped out how we are spending the money, how we're circulating the money, how we're leveraging the money. So one good way to practice money magic mindset is just to start writing down, let's say, $100,000 worth. How are you going to spend $100,000? So just prepare your system to spending the amount of money that you desire to have. And that would ready your system into receiving more as well. Now, the fourth way to practice having a money magic mindset is to anchor into joy and excitement. The thing is, many people think, oh, when I have money, then I can buy more things. I can clear my debt. I can pay off my student loan. I can pay off my mortgage. I can splurge on myself. The thing is, most people think, when I have money, then I can splurge, then I can relax, then I can pay off debt. So those thoughts come with emotions, and that emotion is happy, excitement, joy, peace. What if you start feeling joyful today? What if you start feeling more at peace today? Imagine that your body, your system now is telling you, wow, I can relax now. I can be joyful now. I can be more peaceful now. And when your body conditions itself to feel good, to feel better, then money can come easily because you're not making a big deal out of it. The more you justify, the more you make a big deal out of wanting to have more money, having more money, making more money, the harder it is to come to you. So try to anchor yourself into that joy, into that feeling good, because the more you feel good about things, the more good things that will come to you. As cliche as it sounds, like attracts like. The fifth way to practice a money magic mindset is to stay visible in doing what you love to do. We hear show up a lot. Show up and the world will reward you. But what is showing up? Showing up is not doing the things that you don't want to do. It's not posting so many things on social media. It's about you really showing up for yourself first. Imagine needing a hero or a heroine. Imagine needing that hero for yourself, needing that someone for yourself to say, you know what? It's okay to say no. You know what? It's time for us to ask for more. You know what? Say yes to this. So we show up first to ourselves, show up in what feels aligned and right for ourselves first. Show up and stay visible. See yourself first, and the world will see you. And when you see yourself, when you start seeing yourself more and more, the world will also follow with seeing you better, and money flows to you faster because the right opportunities will not be missed out. Most of the times, the opportunities that we're waiting for are just in front of us, but it's hard for us to say yes because we are so focused on trying to do everything else except that one thing that feels very aligned with ourselves, because we are not ready to show up for ourselves. So show up, stay visible, doing the thing that you love to do. I hope this video gave you clarity on what money magic is about and how you can develop having a money magic mindset. This is Maria, business coach for Misfits, wishing you to stay wealthy, healthy, and more importantly, owning your difference.